A.S.M.R. Fire and ice. Fire and ice. Fire and ice. Bloodlines and destroying of DNA. I tend to think that curses can't even be conjoined in with the bloodline of even with addictions, with family ties, family trees, pedigree tables, so on and so forth. We have issues even with arguing, even getting along with certain types of friends, family members, you name it. Different issues that should not even be issues, but yet we complain, we miss. No doubt. No doubt. No doubt. Everything we would seek to try to find answers to, the cures to, prolongings to. Would get us nowhere. Fire and ice. Fire and ice. We have yet to discover what is reality from fake, what is truth from lies, what is awakening the unconscious into the unconscious. Fire and ice. We wonder what causes generational curses, and how come is it we can't get along. We would wonder why. Why? And so, curses go into more spiritual matters, and with bloodlines, and also attacking the DNA of your own family bloodline and tree, along with the entire generational pedigree of the pedigree table, which fits exactly into your own family's tree and bloodline, mixed up with the two bloodlines of blue bloods and red bloods, fire and ice. And so, we tend to wonder, what is this really all about? Fire and ice. we tend to wonder about why is it that we can't come out of the addictions. We can't see the light or even to seek it, because even your own blood tree is working against its own self. It's almost like something is trying to destroy your entire family bloodline and tree. And so we fight, but we wonder what's wrong. Things built into the bloodline that was never supposed to be there. And also, going into the next topic as well, but most importantly, going into the family tree bloodline, I do believe in curses within the bloodline. Certain things, certain addictions, the way people act, personality traits, all of this is all too real. Fire and ice. Fire and ice, fire and ice. And so, how we combat this? We fight. We go harder. We fight for our family bloodline and tree of everything, and to kill what was not needed within the bloodline, within the family tree, within the things that was attacking the bloodline in every way and form, rooted in something more past the physical into the spiritual, that caused the degradation within the family tree, the family bloodline, and you name it. Fire and ice. Fire and ice. Fire and ice. But see that everything was not made up to be perfect, in just the same way a system we are born into is not perfect. But we are within a byproduct of our own selves, our own culture, our own society, that does not seem suit or fit for our own selves. For others that sort of view this world as indifferent in certain things and aspects to it, because maybe they fire and ice, fire and ice, fire and ice feel different. What is hindering their bloodline, and what can they know? They can know certain things to seek after to know about. That things can be stopped even within their own family bloodline that they didn't see before until maybe you came along to tell them, give them the information that they didn't have before you came along to help with them, to help them regardless, fire and ice, of who this searching party is. Just like everybody else, we are on our own journey. We are learning, we are growing, we are seeking. We want to know truths, guidance, knowledges, wisdoms we did not obtain before. Because with everybody else has certain knowledges and wisdoms that we did not attain before until we found such allegiances that changed us in our lives forever. Fire and ice. Fire and ice. Fire and ice. Attacking the DNA what is attacking the DNA? Attacking the DNA is something. It's something because we did not have this information before. And who would have known? It would have brought us back to the occult. To the place, even to the beginning of time, that we didn't know about. I do believe what the light is showing, fire and ice, is the revealing of graphene, the revealing of black, the revealing of something more extraterrestrial than what we could have, any of us could have ever imagined. Like nothing else, and like no other. We saw something different that we didn't see before. And so we assumed something different instead of actually getting the reality and facts of what we needed to obtain that was real. So I would say, what is real to you? Because everything is not real to everyone, because it does not revolve in their own realities. And until it finally arrives at your doorstep, you will never know the reality of the matter. Fire and ice. Fire and ice. Fire and ice. The only ones that will actually really know the reality of this are the ones that are seeking after it. And then you will really know what you know. fire, and ice. You will know what you know. But until then, you really know nothing until you obtain the light, fire, and ice.